Hi, my name is Mary Hill, and welcome to my brand new listing located at 4455 Hazeltine Avenue, Unit 307 in prime Sherman Oaks, just steps away from iconic Ventura Boulevard. At over 1,300 square feet, this penthouse unit has been recently remodeled top to bottom and features high ceilings, a private balcony, and a stylish fireplace. The open concept kitchen features quartz countertops, black stainless steel appliances, a sleek undermount sink, and I just love the way these blue cabinets make the kitchen pop. With a large primary ensuite on one side and a generous secondary bedroom and bathroom on the other side, this layout provides a good amount of privacy for its occupants. And here's what makes this property totally unique. An over 1,200 square foot private rooftop patio with panoramic views, complete with a built-in barbecue and mini fridge. Thanks for joining me on a tour of this amazing condo. Please contact me for more information.